Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are going to do a DIY for my Mother's Day tablescape. I am going to try to get that up in the next week. So I'm going to be pushing out DIYs, but some of them may not be able to be recorded. But I'll do my best to record as many of them as I can. With this DIY, we're going to make some chargers. So for this DIY, you're going to need, like I said, a reform, the 14-inch reform. You're going to need some ribbon of your choice or fabric. You're going to need some beading of your choice. This is rose gold, and I have white pearls and champagne pearls. You're going to need your scissors. You're going to need your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and you're going to need your E6000. So let's just jump right into this DIY. So let me get where everything is from out the way, because I know some of you guys is going to ask. This right here I ordered from Amazon, and I just put in rose gold pearls, and this right here and along with some other ones came up. And this right here came from Michaels, and these right here came from Walmart. Let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your wire ribbon, and you can have wire ribbon or you can have regular ribbon, and this is 3 yards. So I'm going to pull some out, and you can pre-measure it as well. And I'm not going to tack this down all of it. When I wrap it, I'm just going to periodically put it in places. So then I'm going to put some hot glue in here, up here, in the crease and on one side, and then fold it up just like this. So that's secure. So then I'm going to start wrapping, and you're going to wrap this around. So I have it closed, and I have a couple of areas that I need to reposition the ribbon, but I made it where it's just enough. So now I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to lay some hot glue. Get it on these pieces right here, because I want to be able to move everything so I can close up the gaps. So now I'm going to turn it back over, and I'm going to work on these gaps. Alright, so now we have that done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to start decorating. So I'm just going to take the pearls, and these are pre-stick, but I am going to use the E6000 on them. Put some dots. Okay. And I'm just going to randomly place these. And I think what I'm going to do is put some big pearls around here if I can't get it closed up. So far that's what we have. And I'm going to complete this pattern all the way around, just randomly putting these. I'm probably going to cut some of the rose gold ones and put the rose gold ones, some of the rose gold up here. And I guess this is why it's good to use E6000 if it's going to be this tough getting them off. So I probably would recommend you getting the non-stick ones. This way you don't have to worry about trying to get them off the stick thing. It's an easy DIY, guys. As you can see, this is all I'm doing right now. I'm taking the pearls off here and then placing them where I want to place them at. And so I am going to finish this one off camera. Guys, I did want to come back and show you my solution for the open spots. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a dot of hot glue right in between where they need to be closed at, and then I'm just going to pinch it closed. And so I just wanted to come and show you guys that, how I combated that, and then I'm going to go on and continue to put the pearls on. So now we have all the pearls on, and guys, I want to tell you that I had some flat back pearls, a roll, the bling roll, and I mean not the bling roll, but the pearl roll, and I got this from Amazon as well, and it's 30 feet. It was 30 feet in here as well, and I think pearls represents mothers a lot, so I decided that I wanted to do that. Now I am going to take some of the rose gold pearls and put up here just to bring it out some, and I think I'm gonna cut them off because what I'm gonna have on the table, if I have them wrapped around the edge of it, like I said I was gonna do, you won't really be able to see it because of the coloring going to clash. They're going to blend in with each other. So I'm going to take and I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to cut. This is plastic. I think it's plastic. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my E6000 and I'm going to find spots up here. This is my nail with the Mod Podge on the tip. Yep, I like the way this is. Now I can see the rose gold in here. So guys, so this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to finish putting the rose gold pearls on, or beads, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Now that I'm finished, I'm just going back in and finding all the glue strands. Okay guys, I am going to finish doing this, get what I can of them, then I'm going to come back with it set up so you can see the finished product. Okay guys, So there you have it, the completed look, and I think it's elegant. I love the way it is. It has the right amount of colors in it, and the rose gold that's just pops because that's the predominant like color. It's like I see like the creams, and then the gold, and then I see the rose gold, and all of it together just match up really well. So guys, thank you for watching another episode of Design on a Dollar, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.